Now let's talk about your second homework. Uh, in this homework, I want you to draw the projection of a profile line that includes 2 points A and B, and you can measure these numbers in centimeters by using your set square and t-square, your rulers. You don't need a squared paper, or you don't need to draw squares anymore. You are going to create the epirofmorph, and you are going to draw this by using your t-square and set square with a 2mm drafting pencil on a white A4 drawing paper, and you need to create our header first. This is what you are going to do at the end, but you don't need to color it, or you don't need to use a red colored pencil. Just normal drawing that we have discussed last week. And this is what I want you to do, just the epirofmorph. I don't want you to draw a perspective or anything like that. And please do not forget to indicate all the projections of point A and B and the line itself. And you need to find the traces of the line. And you need to indicate the projection of these traces here. And also, it is missing on this example, but I want you to indicate the inclination angles of this line. And you can just name it alpha and beta. But of course, this will be its triple prime, their triple prime in this example. Also, in the second part of your homework, I want you to make a model of this system. You can use any material that you have already have at home or in your dormitory, papers, cardboard, wires, strings, beads, anything like that. Your model at the end will look like something like this, and you are going to use the same lengths in centimeters. But the quality of your drawing and your model is important in terms of the mark that you will get for your homeworks, not just this one, from now on until the end of the semester. You can use any materials. You don't need to buy expensive model materials. You can use anything that you already have, but you need to be careful about the precision of these cuts, and it should be a nice looking model. There shouldn't be any dirt due to glue or anything. Or everything should be nice and nice looking. Please do not forget that the quality of your drawing and model is important. Yeah, I just said that. The drawing rules that we learned last week, I just want to give you some examples to remind you, but they are of course not limited to these examples, like the line weights. We use two types of line weights, gray and thin lines. They were functioning as guiding lines, and middle thickness, middle darkness lines. And these were our normal lines. When we want to draw something that we want to show, we use this line, this type of line. Also the line intersections or the lettering rules that you learned last week. These are important, and I want you to be careful about them for your every homework every week. Also, I want you to first prepare the header on A4 paper, white paper. You need to update the date and the homework number. Also, I want to repeat it one more time. You don't need to create squares here. The square paper was something that we used in the classroom exercise, so that we don't need to carry our t-squares and set squares with us. And by using that graph paper, the squares, the grid, on that paper, it'll be easy. It was easier for us to make a drawing, freehand drawing. But now, since you are using a white paper and you will do this homework with your T-square and Z-square, you don't need those grids, those guiding lines anymore. You will just draw your homework on a white piece of paper, and you can measure all these numbers in centimeters. And yeah, this is an example for your model. Again, in the model, I want you to show everything with the traces, their projection, and I want you to indicate both the inclination angles itself and their projections, their third projections. You can use any material. You can draw on this cardboard boards. You can use strings, anything you want. And when you finish, when you finish your homework, you should submit it before 30th of October at 7 o'clock. You need to use Google Classroom to submit your homework. I want you to upload one PDF file, just one PDF file that includes your drawing and the photos of your model. This file should be a maximum 2 or 3 megabytes. And first of all, you need to scan your drawing and take the photos of your model. And you need to register here. When you go to this website, you can register to Google Classroom. And please watch this video before preparing your submission. And in order to make a nice scanning, you need to position your drawing. These are not good examples. If you scan it like this or take a photo like this, I won't be able to see what is on your drawing. You need to position your drawing like this. Be careful about the light. It shouldn't shine, or your shadow or your phone's shadow shouldn't be casted on your drawing. And if you position it like this, imagine that this is your drawing, and you position it on a table like this, and you put your phone right above it with a parallel position. Then you can get a scanning like this. You can use Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner is an application. It's a free application. It's very nice. You can use it. And when you are taking the photos of your model, please make sure that your frame includes everything about your model. And we can be able to see different surfaces. Like this, in this example, I can see the roof, the side wall, and the front wall of this model. But it shouldn't be like this. The frame doesn't include everything, or like this. I see the table surface, but not the model. This is not a good example. It is being blurred. It should be like this. You need to take photos of different corners. Like this is the front. In this photo, I can see the front face, front facade, side facade, and the roof. In the next one, I can see the same side facade and the back facade and the roof. And now I can see the other side, like the right side and the back side. And this is the last one. You can take a series of photos like this. Also, I want you to take photos that shows the frontal view, the side view, and the upper view. And once you finished with the photographing, then you can create a Word file, insert all these photos in this order into that Word file, and you need to resize the photos so that once you convert this Word file into a PDF file, the total size of your PDF file is not too much. Yeah, and please do not forget that you will get marks according to the quality of your homework, and these marks will have an important effect on your transcript. Great, you can read the detailed explanations on the website in one of the tabs about the course. Yeah, that's it.